Guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look using a lot of products that I have not used in a very long time, or I've never used them at all. And these are pretty much products that I've always seen at the drugstore, but I've never picked them up. Alright, so to begin, I'm prepping the skin using Wet n Wild's coconut primer. I really like this stuff. I just pat it into the skin. And then for foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match 2.5, and honestly guys, I'm sorry, but I'm about to look like a ghost because the shade's too light for me. The new product that I'm using here is the Wet n Wild sponge. Let me know if you guys like it. I used it and it feels good. Like, it doesn't feel, I think it's better than the e.l.f. sponge. I still do like my Real Techniques. And then moving on to concealer, this is a new one. I've never tried this, CoverGirl. I figured I would just, we get used to all the same products and I never venture out. So it's very light coverage, I'm going to say that. I did build it up 2 times and I just put it underneath my eyes, everywhere that you usually highlight, and I like it. Like, it doesn't crease. This is the same day that I did my makeup. It's now 3 p.m. and I did this at 8 a.m. and it's still looking good. So if you like a light coverage, then go for this one. And then Coty Airspun, an old fave that I've just stopped using because honestly I love the Maybelline Fit Me, but I just felt like using this one again, and the extra coverage one helped out the concealer. So right, next I will be doing a makeup class coming up probably in December. This is the LA Colors contour palette, and after this filming this video, I really love it. So I'm going to take both shades, the more red brown shades, and I bronze my face using this. And honestly, it's a very blendable product. Like, look at that. I really like the way it came out. For sure going to be using it. Then I'm going into the Cool Tone Brown, and as you can see here, it's pigmented, like super pigmented, and you can tell. But yeah, so then I just made sure to blend it out, but it honestly, I was afraid. Here was the true test. Like, I was gonna see if it's blendable, and look at that. Like, it just blends so seamlessly. I love it. I was pretty ghostly, so I took the yellow shade in the palette and just placed it under the eyes, and it evened everything out. And then I cleaned up the contour using the Coty Airspun. Next, for blush, I'm going in with the MAC shade Melba. It's just a really pretty everyday pink, especially for the fall. Fall and summer, you can use the shade anytime. It just gives the right amount of blush. And then for highlight, my husband was making me laugh here. This is Crown of Canopy. It's a golden shade, and I just applied it everywhere I usually highlight. Taking the Urban Decay setting spray, such a cute little bottle, and setting my face and drinking some, making it clear that it's 0 sugar Coke. I don't drink Coke, and I've just been loving the soda. Okay, for brows, I didn't want to mess with dip brow. I don't know if you guys have those days. This is the Sonia Kashuk, and it works so good. It almost looks like a, oh my god, like a pomade. When you put it on, it's a really nice formula. So if you're looking for a brow powder, I definitely recommend this one. And I just filled them in and I was good to go. No cleaning up or anything. Took the new CoverGirl concealer, and honestly this was really pretty for eyelid primer. I usually use Maybelline Age Rewind, and this is kind of similar. If I don't end up liking it as concealer, I'll use it for that. Now taking the Coffin Break Wet n Wild palette, really pretty. I saw that they had a lot of them out there, and guys, this eye look is super fast. At this time I had 10 minutes to get to work, so I literally slapped on eyeshadow. So do not take this as a full eyeshadow tutorial. Let me know if you want to see a detailed video on this eye look, and I will film one for you. So I'm just placing the shade in the crease, and honestly, just by my face here, you can tell that it is pigmented. I figured it out. It's very pigmented. Just dipped back into the transition shade, and I went ahead and helped blend out all that red tone brick color. And I really like this look. It's just very simple, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm sorry that I'm talking really fast. It's just I edited this video so that it wouldn't be too long. So it's very spady. And just blend, blend, blend. Okay, and next I took the dark brown shade and I just placed it pretty much on the outer corner, on the outer V, just for like a little bit more depth. And I'm sorry about my hair. I had just blow dried it dry and she's not cute. Per usual, I just basically take all the colors I did on top onto the lower lash line. I don't really ever use lower line, what do you call it? Liner. And I took the gold shade, really pretty and pretty pigmented, and popped it on the lid, and then took the same highlighter for the inner corner. Who knows why I look so angry. And then I went in with the NYX matte liquid liner and just applied a simple basic wing and put mascara on my lashes using the Maybelline, I forget what the name of this one is, but you guys know what it is. For lips, right now I'm just like waiting for my lashes to dry, doing all that good stuff, getting them all tacky. And I bought this lipstick, which obviously it's blurry, who knows what the shade is. This one here by Jen Guzman. If you guys don't watch her videos, what the hell are you doing? Koki is a brand that she like introduced. She had it on Instagram, and then she like shared my photo, and I felt I was fangirling because I do really love her videos and her makeup skills. She's beautiful. So go check her out. But yeah, this is the shade Desire, guys, and it's on Amazon. It's pretty, but honestly it didn't go with this look. So at the end I do pop on some MAC Honey Love over it, and it just kind of brings it down to more of a nude shade. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did like it. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.